guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. So today I'm going to show you guys how I maintenance my frontal wigs after I've been wearing them for a while and I'm not quite ready to take it off and reinstall it. I do want to like touch it up and make it look better than it does. So this wig was sent to me from Klaiyi hair. I really hope I'm pronouncing their name right, but they sent me out their 24-inch Jerry curl texture wig, and the density that I have this wig in is 180. So I installed this wig, I want to say on Friday, and it's now Tuesday, so I've been wearing this wig for a couple of days. I'm not quite ready to take it off yet, but I do want to refresh, like just refresh my lace and, you know, just make it look better. It doesn't look that bad. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it up close. Definitely, like, this part right here is not as laid as it could be, and of course my little ear tabs are like lifting a little. So I'm just going to show you guys how I make my frontals look a little bit more presentable and all that. And this is really easy. The only thing that I'm going to use is my Got To Be freeze spray and also a blow dryer. I'm going to take some of my freeze spray. The nozzle on my freeze spray is broken, so I'm just going to spray it on a, you know, something else. And I'm going to take that hairspray and I'm going to put it right here at the edge of my lace. Like, if you can see right here where it's starting to lift, that's where you want to put the hairspray. I'll put it Then you want to take your blow dryer, and I use my blow dryer on high heat. I'm allowing the hairspray to dry a little bit and get a little tacky before I take my rat tooth comb, and I'm just going to start pressing right here at the edge of the lace while using the blow dryer. And then this is just going to help to like reinforce that lace, and it's going to make it lay down. So once I've done that to my whole frontal, I'm going to take my elastic band and just tie that lace down. Take the blow dryer, blow dry it again. I'm just going to blow dry it for about like 2 or 3 minutes just to make sure that lace is really laid down and also that that hairspray is nice and dry. Now that I'm done my hair is stuck in my nail. So I'm still going to leave this on for a couple of minutes I'm gonna work on defining the curls. So I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and I'm just gonna get this hair nice and damp so that we can detangle it and also add some products into the hair. Okay, so I'm gonna take the elastic band off now because it's kind of giving me a headache. So that's what the lace is looking like now. It looks pretty good to me. Okay, so now I'm going to work on these baby hairs. They need to be laid down a little bit more. I'm going to use my Nairobi styling foam and a toothbrush. So the product that I'm going to use in this hair to just define the curls even more and to also prevent any frizz from happening. I did notice that this hair does get a little frizzy, especially on the ends. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's already starting to like poof up, and when it fully dries it'll be frizzy. So to prevent that from happening, put some type of curl defining cream. You can even use Eco Styler gel, just so that the ends stay moisturized and they don't get frizzy. So I'm going to use this curl defining cream from Bella Curls. So this is what the curls look like while the hair is still wet, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks when the hair is fully dried. And I like to let my curls air dry. You can also use a diffuser if you want to speed up the process, but I like the way the curls look when they just air dry. The last thing that I'm gonna do is just add some of my foundation or powder to my lace, just so that it blends in with my skin tone better.